Hi guys, and welcome to the first preview of the first 3D printing mystery box. Just thought I'd do a quick unveil since this will be the first box going out. And yeah, I wanted to show it off, show what you would actually get in the box. If I'm right, these boxes are going out for dispatch today. Just got to finish taping them up and putting all the postage labels on them. So I thought I'd do a quick show off before I tape them up and take them to the post office to be sent. This video should be out on either be the 1st or 2nd of January, give people time to receive their boxes, well UK anyway. We've got some international ones and there's one going all the way to Australia. So yeah, let's get into it. So basically this first January box comes in a plain box, nothing too special there. They will be custom boxes from February, just because I think it'll look a bit nicer, a bit neater, and a bit more. Yeah, they'll look a bit better. They'll be custom boxes, the mystery box logo, so on and so forth. So let's open this up. So here we have the box. On top of the box, you get the trifold leaflet. So it's just all the information in regards to the filament and such. All the filament. This month's Lucky Block prize is bed leveling sensor, so congratulations to the person that gets this. There's more information on the back. This month's project is a clock, so included in the box is the clock mechanism. So yeah, that's just the leaflet. And then we've got 4 filaments, all bagged up, zip locked, tied, with a card in each of them, with a QR code to scan to go to the website, read more information, got printer temperatures and so on and so forth, company, what they are. These all come on a cardboard core and they slot over the top of, where's the I'll just take this off. So this is my remix design of my master spool that I'm using for these. Just unscrew like that. These design files will be up and available, ready for people to buy to receive the boxes. So basically, you just do you know what? I'll just do another video on this. So yeah, that's the sport. I was going to include one of these in all the boxes, but due to only just getting around to putting my Mark III together, I haven't had time to do that. So that may be next month. I may include one of these in the next month's box. But anyway, so we got some Zero Fire Red TPU. We got some Prusament Galaxy Black PLA. There you go, so you can see. There's some Real Filament Yellow PET G, which is real nice yellow. And then we've got some Filamentive Cosmic Gold PLA. So they're the 4 20-meter samples for this month. Those aside. The excess, you also get a random Spanner Hands filament. Spanner Hands was kind enough to send me a box full of his filament samples that he had left over because he's changing over to spoolless system. So yeah, there's a random colour of PLA from Spanner Hands in the bottom of the box. The accessory for this month is a sample bottle of 3D glue. In the new year, I'm going to be looking at perhaps becoming a reseller of 3D glue here in the UK to provide out. As far as I know, there's not a reseller here at the moment. Just a couple information cards with the 3D glue, and then we've got clock mechanism. You get the AA battery, the mechanism. There is 1, 2, 3 hands. You got the washers and everything. So that's for this month's project. And then you also get some sweets. some Haribo and some Barretts. Will be different depending on what I grabbed out the box and bags. But yeah, that's it for this month really. I hope everyone that gets one this month enjoys the box and shares it on Twitter and social media and that. Packing these back in. So yeah, I hope everyone's happy with it and likes to spread the word and such. If you do spread it on Twitter and that, there'll be a hashtag at the bottom of this video of what to tag it as, so I can see people opening it and such. I'll include this video on the website with all the more information of the box on there. So if you go to the website, there's a section of box reveal, so if anyone else posts pictures and that, then I'll ask their permission and post it there as well, so other people can see their thoughts and such. But as for that, that's it for now. These are all now going to get taped up, just labelled, and the first boxes will be going out today. So yeah. So anyway, if you've received one of these, I hope you enjoy it. And also, Happy New Year. Let's make 2019 a great 3D printing year. So that's it. So if you enjoyed the video, leave a like. Subscribe, hit the subscribe button if you're new here. Ring the little bell to be notified when I upload videos. There will be more coming in 2019. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.